Hey learners, Pranshi Verma this side. Welcome to my channel guys. In today's YouTube session, we are going to learn computer graphics multiple choice question and answer for your upcoming AKTU examination and for your any competitive exams. Okay guys. And question number 1 to 50 हमने डिस्कस किया था कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स पार्ट 1 में, जिसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा एंड वीडियो के लास्ट में भी आपको वीडियो प्रोवाइड हो जाएगी. And in today's video, we are going to learn question number 51 to question 100. Okay, so let's proceed. In this, your first question is the techniques used to summarize the financial, statistical, mathematical, and scientific and economic data is option A, computer art, option B, image processing, option C, presentation graphics, option D, none of the above. Here, right answer is option C, presentation graphics. Okay. So, the presentation graphics techniques is used to summarize the financial, statistical, mathematical, and scientific and economic data. Okay. Next question. Graphics and image processing techniques used to produce a transformation of one object into another is called option A, animation, option B, morphing, option C, half toning, option D, none of the above. Right answer is option A, animation. Okay, and this is the topic from unit 1 and lecture 1 or 2. So graphics and image processing techniques used to produce a transformation of one object into another object is called animation. Next question. The amount of light emitting by the phosphor coating depends on the option A, number of electrons striking the screen, option B, speed of electrons striking the screen, option C, distance from the cathode to the screen, option D, none of the above. And right answer is option A, number of electrons striking the screen. Okay. Next question. Grayscale is used in option A, monitor that have color capability, option B, a monitor that have no color capability, option C, random scan display, option D, raster scan display. Right option is option B, a monitor that have no color capability. Grayscale is used in a monitor that have no color capability. Next question. A wireless mouse works on option A, infra blue radiation, option B, infrared radiation, option C, X-rays, and option D, UV rays. Right answer is option B, infrared radiation. Next question. Vector graphics is composed of option A, pixels, option B, paths, option C, palette, option D, none of these, and right answer is option B, paths. Vector graphics is composed of paths. Next question. Raster graphics are composed of option A, pixels, option B, paths, option C, palette, option D, none of these. Right answer is option A, pixels. Raster graphics are composed of pixels. Next question. EPS image file format is used for option A, vector graphics, option B, bitmap, option C, both A and B, and option D, none of these. Right answer is option C, both A and B. EPS image file format is used for vector graphics as well as bitmap. Okay. Next question. TIFF means tagged image file format are used for option A, vector graphics, option B, bitmap, option C, both A and B, option D, none of these. And right answer here is option B, bitmap. Okay. TIFF tagged image file format are used for bitmap. Okay. Next question. Two-dimensional color model are option A, RGB and CMK by option B, RVG and C by MK, option C, RGB and CM by K, and option D, none. Right answer is option A, RGB and CMK by. Okay. Next question. RGB model are used for option A computer display, option B printing, option C painting, option D none of these. And right answer is option A computer display. RGB model are used for computer display. Next question. CM by K model are used for option A computer display, option B printing, option C painting, option D none of these. Right answer is option B printing. CM by K model are used for printing. Next question. The intersection of three primary RGB color produces option A white color, option B black color, option C magenta color, option D blue color, and right option is option A white color. The intersection of three primary RGB color produces white color. Next question. The intersection of primary CM by K color produces option A white color, option B black color, option C cyan color, option D magenta color. Right answer is option B black color. Okay. Next question. Random scan systems are designed for option A line drawing application, option B pixel drawing application, option C color drawing application, option D none of these, and right answer is option A line drawing application. Next question. A major disadvantages of DBST in interactive computer graphics is option A ability to selectively erase part of an image, option B inability to selectively erase part of image from a screen, option C inability to produce bright picture, option D none. Right answer is option B inability to selectively erase part of image from a screen. Okay. Next question. Which of the following allow for 8 mirror images? Option A parabola, option B ellipse, option C hyperbola, and option D circle. Right answer is option D circle. Circle allow for 8 mirror images. Okay, next question. The simplest output primitives is option A straight line, option B straight line segment, option C point, option D circle. Right answer is option C point. Okay, the simplest output primitive is point. Next question. A bitmap is blank space bits per pixels. Option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D 4. Right answer is option B 1. A bitmap is 1 bits per pixel. Next question. The intensity of a grayscale pixel is expressed within a given range between a minimum and a maximum. Option A 1 and 2, option B 2 and 1, option C 0 and 1, option D 0 and 2. Right answer is 0 and 1, option C. Okay. The intensity of a grayscale pixel is expressed within a given range between a minimum and a maximum. Value is respectively 0 and 1. Next question. Each pixel has blank space, basic color components, option A 2 or 3, option B 1 or 2, option C 3 or 4, option D none of these. Right answer is 3 or 4, option C. Each pixel has 3 or 4 basic color components. Next question. The quality of an image depends on option A number of pixels used by image, option B number of line used by image, option C number of resolution used by image, option D none. Right answer is option A number of pixels used by image. Next question. The basic geometric structures that describe a scene on display is called option A attributes, option B output primitive, option C lines, option D curves. And right answer is option B output primitive. Okay. The basic geometric structures that describe a scene on display is called output primitive. Next question. Blank space controls the basic display properties of output primitives. Option A attribute parameter, option B set pixel, option C get pixel, option D none of the above, and right answer is option A attribute parameter. Attribute parameter controls the basic display properties of output primitives. Next question. To set line width attributes in PHIGS, fix, package, option blank space function is used. Option A, set line thickness in bracket LW. Option B, set line width in bracket LW. Option C, set line width scale factor in bracket LW. And option D, set polyline width in bracket LW. And here right answer is set line width scale factor in bracket LW. Option C. Okay. So to set line width attribute in a fixed package, set line width scale factor in bracket LW function is used. Okay. Next question. Identify the values for fill style parameter from the following. Option A, hollow. Option B, hatch. Option C, pattern. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. Blank space functions is used to set the basic fill style. Option A, set fill style fs. Option B, set fill style index of fs. Option C, set interior style fs. Option D, fill type ft. And here right answer is set interior style fs. Option C. Next question. Blank space is defined as the distance between the baseline and cap line of the character body. Option A, character size. Option B, character height. Option C, character width. Option D, character length. Right answer is option B, character height. Okay. Next question. Blank space function is used to change the size of a character without changing the height-width ratio. Option A, set text size of TS. Option B, set character height CH. Option C, set character size CS. Option D, set text height TH. Okay, this is the abbreviation. TH stands for text height, CS stands for character size, CH stands for character height, and TS stands for text size. Okay, here right answer is option B, set character height CH function is used to change the size of a character without changing the height width ratio. Okay. Next question. Blank space will define a group of attribute values of each primitive to be used on a monitor. Option A, primitive table. Option B, bundle table. Option C, attribute table. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option D, none of the above. Next question. Blank space function is used to set how text is to positioned with respect to the star coordinates. Option A, set text alignment H of B, H and B. Option B, set text precision TP. Option C, set text position H and B. H and B stands for horizontally and vertically. Okay. Option D, set text TS. And here right answer is set text alignment HB, horizontally and vertically. Okay, so set text alignment H and B function is used to set how text is to position with respect to the start coordinates. Okay, next question. Blank space is used to check the current status of each attributes. Option A, set pixel. Option B, get pixel. Option C, inquiry function. Option D, status function. Right answer is option C, inquiry function is used to check the current status of each attributes. Okay. Next question. The basic transformation included option A, translation. Option B, rotation. Option C, scaling. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. So the basic transformation include transformation, rotation and scaling. Okay guys, please आप translation, rotation and scaling की definition learn कर लीजिएगा, उससे भी आपको multiple choice question and answer आपके एग्जाम में मिल सकता है. Okay, they are very important topic in your computer graphics subject. Next question. The transformation in which an object is moved in a minimum distance path from one position to another is called option A, rotation. Option B, replacement. Option C, translation. Option D, scaling. Right answer is option C, translation. The transformation in which an object is moved in a minimum distance path from one position to another is called translation. Next question. The translation distance dx and dy is called as option A, translation vector. Option B, shift vector. Option C, both A and B. And option D, neither A nor B. Right answer is option C, both A and B. Okay. So the translation distance dx and dy is called as translation vector and shift vector also. Next question. The two-dimensional translation equation in the matrix form is option A, P dash is equal to P plus T, option B, P dash is equal to P minus T, option C, P dash equal to P multiply T, and option D, P dash equal to P. Right option here is P dash is equal to P plus T. Okay. The two-dimensional translation equation in the matrix form is P dash is equal to P plus T. Okay. Next question. The transformation in which an object is moved from one position to another in circular path around a specified pivot point is called option A, rotation, option B, shearing, option C, translation, option D, scaling. And here right answer is option A, rotation. Okay. The transformation in which an object is moved from one position to another in circular path around a specified pivot. Pivot is a point in a object, okay, and is called rotation. Okay. So next question. The transformation in which the dimension of an object are changed relative to a specified fixed point is called. Next question. Question number 89. The transformation in which the dimensions of an object are changed relative to a specified fixed point is called option A, rotation, option B, reflection, option C, translation, option D is scaling. And right answer here is option D is scaling. Okay, so this is the definition about scaling. The transformation in which the dimensions of an object are changed relative to a specified fixed point is called scaling. Okay, next question. The transformation that produces a parallel mirror image of an object are called option A, rotation, option B, reflection, option C, translation, option D is scaling. Okay, so here right answer is option B, reflection. The transformation that produces a parallel mirror image of an object is called reflection. Okay, next question. If an object is rotated through an angle A in clockwise direction, the rotation matrix R is equal to cos A sin A minus sin A cos A. Okay, and V and C are wrong here. Guys, ये कोई formula नहीं है. Cos A sin A minus sin A cos A is a valid formula, and this is for R is equal to cos A sin A minus sin A cos A in if an object is rotated through an angle A in clockwise direction, the rotation matrix R will be cos A sin A minus sin A cos A. Okay. Next question. If a point xy is reflected about an axis which is normal to the xy plane and passing through the origin, the reflected point xy is option A, x comma minus y, option B, minus x comma y, option C, minus x comma minus y, option D by comma x. And here right answer is minus x comma minus y, option C. Okay, option C is right answer. Next question. Reflection of a point about x-axis followed by a counterclockwise rotation of 900 is equivalent to reflection about the line. Option A, x is equal to minus y, option B, x is equal to 0, option C, x equal to y, and option D, x plus y equal to 1. Okay, so here right answer is option C, x is equal to y. Next question. A circle, if scaled only in one direction, becomes a option A, hyperbola, option B, ellipse, option C, parabola, option D, remains a circle. Right answer is option B, ellipse. Okay, a circle is if scaled only in one direction becomes a ellipse. Next question. 2, 4 is a point on a circle that has center at the origin. Which of the following points are also on circle? Option A, 2, minus 4, ऑप्शन बी -2, ऑप्शन सी -2, ऑप्शन सी -4, -2, ऑप्शन डी all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Okay, 2, 4 is a point on a circle that has center at the origin. So they are also on the, they all our points are also in the circuit, and they are 2, -4 and -2, 4 and -4, -2. Okay, next question. Which techniques of color CRT is used for production of realistic image? Option A, beam penetration, option B, shadow mask, option C, both A and B, option D, none of the above. Right answer is option B, shadow mask. Okay, shadow mask is a technique of color CRT is used for production of realistic image. Next question. A composite transformation matrix can be made by determining the blank space matrix of the individual transformation. Option A, sum, option B, product, option C, difference, option D, none of the above. Right answer is option B, product. Okay. A composite transformation matrix can be made by determining the product of matrix of the individual transformation. Next question. Each successive transformation matrix blank space the product of the preceding transformation. Option A, pre-multiplies, option B, post-multiplies, option C, adds, option D, subtracts. Okay, so here right answer is option A, pre-multiplies. Okay, next question. Which of the following is not a rigid body transformation? Option A, translation, option B, rotation, option C, shearing, option D, reflection. And here right answer is option C, shearing. Okay, shearing is not a rigid body transformation. Okay, next question, question number 100. Forming product of transformation matrix is often referred as option A, concentration, concatenation, option B, composition, option C, both A and B, and option D, none of the above. Here right answer is option C, both A and B. Forming products of transformation matrix is often refers to concatenation as well as composition. Okay guys, now let's wind up this lecture. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Wish you very all the best for your examination. Guys, मैं अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश कर रही हूँ आपको लॉट्स ऑफ MCQs प्रोवाइड कराने की। आपके सब्जेक्ट से जितना ज़्यादा डेटा मैं आपको प्रोवाइड करा सकती हूँ, एक वीडियो में 50 क्वेश्चंस कवर कर रही हूँ, जस्ट बिकॉज आप बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स से पास हो जाएं, अपनी सारे पेपर क्लियर कर लें। ओके, सिर्फ इसी वजह से इतना मैंने काफ़ी सर्च किया है आपके सब्जेक्ट पर, सभी सब्जेक्ट पर मैं काम कर रही हूँ। एंड गाइस, जिन सब्जेक्ट की वीडियो अभी नहीं आ पा रही है, आई एम एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी फॉर डैट गाइस, मेरे को बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं मिल पा रहा है। मैं काम कर रही हूँ, फिर भी अपनी तरफ से बहुत कोशिश कर रही हूँ, इनफैक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा वर्क कर रही हूँ इस टाइम, सिर्फ आप लोगों के लिए कि आप लोगों के एग्ज़ाम अच्छे से हो जाएं। एंड प्लीज़ आप मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन आंसर के साथ साथ अपनी थ्योरी पर भी फोकस कीजिए, सब्जेक्ट के टॉपिक, सब्जेक्ट के कंसेप्ट क्लियर कीजिए, एटलीस्ट डेफिनेशन लेवल कर लीजिए, जिससे आपका एग्ज़ाम बहुत अच्छे से हो जाए। ओके गाइज, बाय बाय, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।